Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product automatic detection of abnormalities in mammograms. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Stereo image pairs were obtained from the datasets. The first image is chosen as the reference image. Initial eliminate of the depth map is provided. The weightage values are obtained from the reference frames. The weightage values W1 and the W2 were extracted by applying singularity index for the image. The singularity index is calculated by the average value of the first and second order derivatives in the image. The stereo model is generated based on the calculated weightage and the dispersity term. The new dispersity term is identified based on the updation of the new terms were identified based on updation of new weightage functions in the terms. In this process, the mammogram image is imported from the dataset, and if the disease is affected in the image means there is the segmentation part to detect the disease region, and hence it is diseases affected means the disease will be detected and then identified. Hence the segmentation performance is estimated, and then well estimated parameters is justified by using the parameters like accuracy. Now we discuss about the flow diagram for the process. At first the input image is taken from the dataset. After getting the image from the dataset, the input image 1 is considered as the reference image, and the input image 2 is considered as an tile image. Then stereo model is calculated for both the input image 1 and the input image 2. Here the input image 1 and the input image 2 are the mammograms image. Then after getting the input image from the dataset, the stereo model is calculated. Then the weight calculation is done for the image 1 and the image 2. The weight value calculated is saved as some text values. Then after the saving the weight value from the stereo model, the updating stereo model, that is the by updating the weight value, once again the stereo model is regenerated. So by regenerating this stereo model, the elimination of the background will be done, hence the region of interest is extracted. Then the dispersity map is generated by the combination of updating stereo model for the first image and then the updating stereo model for the second image. After generating the dispersity map will shows the segmented region of the affected part. Then the performance measures is carried out to justify whether the process is efficient or not. By these parameters only we can able to justify the process is efficient or not. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the mainfile.m and select the option run. Now the dataset images are listed down. Select any one image from the dataset and click the button OK. After the selection of the input image from the dataset, the process will be done automatically. Now we discuss the result one by one. At first this is the input image which I have taken, that is the stereo image 1. Then this is the image which I have taken as an stereo image 2. Then this is stereo image which is relevant to the stereo image 1. Then the weighted calculation and the dispersity image is shown in the figure 3. In the dispersity image, the region which I have selected is the shown in the grey color. Then the other regions are considered as a background and then eliminated. Hence this is also known as the segmentation part. In the segmentation part, the mammogram image only is segmented and the other backgrounds will be eliminated. The eliminated region pixel values will remains 0. Hence, the other pixel regions will be value in the range of 1 to some 150. After the elimination of the backgrounds, the segmentation result, there are two parameters are calculated, that is the bad pixel error measurement, that is the BPEM is calculated, and then the value of the BPEM is shown in the tabulation. Then the performance graph is plotted, and the performance graph will be shown in the case of number and the beta value. This will be range in the 0 to 16, that is the number of samples, and the y-axis in the range of 0.01 to 0.06. This performance evaluations will shows how the performance is improved for the segmentation.
Thanks for watching this video.